How to withdraw Hype Network coins to Trust Wallet. Today I'll show you how to withdraw your Hype Network coins to your Trust Wallet. Open the Trust Wallet app. If you don't have a wallet yet, create a new one and finish the setup. Once your wallet is ready, tap Skip to continue. Add Hype Network to your wallet. Tap the Manage Crypto button. Click the plus icon at the top. Tap Network. Scroll down and select Polygon. Paste the Hype Network contract address in the search bar. Tap Import to add the token. Get your wallet address. Tap Receive. Copy your wallet address. Withdrawal from the Hype Network app. Open the Hype Network app. Tap the wallet icon. Click the Withdraw button. Paste your copied wallet address and submit the request. Wait for confirmation. Your withdrawal request will appear under Withdrawal History. Be patient, withdrawals are typically confirmed within 24 to 48 hours. Congratulations! Your Hype Network coins are now being processed for withdrawal to your Trust Wallet.